Hello dear students, today we are going to learn the bridge course of day first mathematics. The class is 10th standard, so we are going to start today's session of class 10th bridge course. Day is first day, so kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Now we are going to start this session. You can see here the day first. There are a few concepts given to you. The first is to classify the numbers. The numbers are given there. You have to classify these numbers into natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even numbers, odd numbers and prime numbers. Before you classify these numbers, you need to understand the definition of these numbers. What are the natural numbers? What are the whole numbers? What are the integers? So let's start. Natural numbers are the numbers start from 1 and 2, 3, 4, all such positive numbers 5, 6 and goes on. All these numbers are called as natural numbers. So you have to remember one thing, that natural numbers will be starting from 1 and these numbers are the positive numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and goes on. So all these numbers are called as natural numbers. The second concept is whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? Whole numbers will be starting from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 and again positive numbers starting from 0 will be called as whole numbers. The third concept is integers. What are the integers? Integers are the numbers negative as well as positive including 0. I mean to say all the negative numbers -4, -3, -2, -1, -5, -6 and goes on. And again here 0, 1, 2, 3 and goes on. So all these numbers are called as integers. Now see what are the even numbers. Even numbers are the numbers which can be divisible by 2. 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there and all these numbers. If I say 100 is there, if 100 is divisible by 2, then 100 will be also a even number. So if I say 92, if 92 is divisible by 2, then 92 will be called as an even number. So even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. The next concept is odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers which are not divisible by 2. I mean to say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Such numbers are called as odd numbers. These numbers are not divisible by 2. The next and the last concept for today's session to classify the numbers is prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which can be divisible by 1 and number itself. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and goes on. So such numbers are called as prime numbers. Why 9 is not a prime number? Because 9 is divisible by 3 also. The number will be called as prime number only if it is divisible by 1 and number itself. This is the right definition of prime numbers. Now remember, we have to learn one more concept here, that is set. What is set? Set in mathematics, a set of is the collection of distinct elements. If you have to collect some elements in mathematics, that collection will be called as set. Remember one thing, set will be always written in curly brackets. Such bracket is called as curly brackets. Set will be always written in curly brackets, and set will be shown by capital letters A, B, C, and the elements of set will be written in small letters A, B, C, D, like this. Example of set is kind of things you can write. You can write people, kind of people, letters of the alphabets, then numbers, I mean to say even numbers, set of even numbers, set of even numbers below 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the set of even numbers. If I call this set as capital E, so in this way we can write a set. Now 3 points you have to remember here. The first is all elements are written in curly brackets. Okay, curly bracket, I just have shown you that if you write a bracket in this way, this bracket is called as curly bracket. All elements should be separated by a comma. In between each element, every element, you have to give a comma. The third and very important is sequence of elements is not important, but the collection of all elements is important. So if you have to write the sequence of numbers from 1 to 10, you have to write the numbers below 10, then it is not important to write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the sequence. You have to collect all the numbers. uh, Either you write in sequentially, or you write it non-sequentially. Okay, it doesn't matter. The thing that matter is you should cover all the elements. Now see, day first of your bridge course, classification of numbers is given. We just have learned the definition of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even numbers, odd numbers, and prime numbers. Okay, now it is very easy to classify these numbers. Let's start. If I have to write natural numbers from this series, I can write the all positive numbers above 0. What are here? 12 is there. 0 is not a natural number. 0 will be considered as whole number. 32 is there. 9 is there. All these numbers are natural numbers. Whole numbers will be starting from 0, 9, 12, 32. Integers will be all these numbers are integers, because the definition of integers that we have seen, all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers including 0. So all these numbers are integers. Okay, so even numbers are the numbers you, when you divide that number by 2, it will be divisible. So 11 is not divisible by 2, 14 is divisible by 2, that is why 14 is an even number. Then 52 is there, even number. 2 is the even number. So 2, 52, 14, these are the even numbers. Odd numbers, 11 is there, 27 is there, 31 is there, 97 is there, 11, 27, 31, 97. All these numbers are odd numbers. What are the prime numbers here? First of all, prime numbers are the numbers which is divisible by 1 and number itself. That is why 2 is there. After 2, 11 is there, 31 is there, and 97 is there. 97 is not divisible by any other number, 1 and 97 itself. So in this way you can complete this exercise. There is the definition of set, I just have explained to you, and there is a short exercise. You can perform this exercise also. If there is any difficulty to perform this exercise, you can ask me in comment section, or you can contact me back. Thanks for watching. I think you have enjoyed this session. Have a nice day. Best of luck.